Finding a Wise IBAN number is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. An IBAN number is a unique identifier used for international transactions. And Wise is a popular online platform that provides borderless banking services. To find your Wise IBAN number, start by logging into your Wise account. If you do not have a Wise account, you will need to create one by providing some basic information such as your name, email address, and password. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Account Details section. This section may be located in different places depending on the device you are using, but it is usually found in the top right corner of the screen or in the main menu. In the Account Details section, look for the currency for which you want to find the IBAN number. Wise supports multiple currencies, so make sure you select the correct one. Next to the currency, you will see a series of numbers and letters. This is your IBAN number. It usually starts with a 2-letter country code, followed by 2 check digits, and then a series of numbers that identify your account. For example, if you have a Euro account, your IBAN number may look something like this. It starts with D for Germany, followed by 2 check digits, and then your account number. To use your IBAN number, simply copy and paste it into the required field when making a transaction. Make sure to double-check the number to avoid any errors. It is also important to note that your IBAN number is unique to your account and should be kept secure to prevent any unauthorized transactions. By following these steps, you can easily find your Wise IBAN number and start making international transactions with ease. Remember to always keep your account information and IBAN number secure to protect your financial information.